In the year 1453, a significant event unfolded that would resonate throughout history: the fall of Constantinople. As dawn broke on the fateful day of May 29th, the air was thick with anticipation, and the hearts of the city's inhabitants were heavy with fear and uncertainty. Constantinople, the proud capital of the Byzantine Empire, stood as a beacon of history and civilization in the Eastern world. But now, its fate hung precariously in the balance. At the heart of the city, Emperor Constantine XI had taken command, resolute in his determination to defend his empire until the bitter end. The walls of Constantinople had been a formidable bastion for centuries, protecting the city from numerous sieges and assaults. But now, facing the might of the Ottoman Empire under Sultan Mehmed II, those ancient defenses would be put to their ultimate test. Mehmed II, known as the Conqueror, was as ambitious as he was shrewd. Only 19 years of age, Mehmed was determined to capture the city that had eluded his predecessors. His forces numbered in the tens of thousands, and his artillery, a cutting-edge innovation of the time, far surpassed anything the Byzantines had encountered. The Ottomans laid siege to the city in early April, employing a strategy of blockade and bombardment. For weeks, the defenders held their ground against the relentless assault. The sound of cannon fire became a mournful symphony that echoed through the beleaguered streets of Constantinople. The population was gripped by a mixture of despair and resolve, knowing that they were the last bastion of a waning empire. Yet in the face of overwhelming odds, they remained determined. Legend speaks of Constantine XI in the final hours before the city's fall, as he went from defender to martyr in the eyes of his people. The emperor donned his armor and led a final charge against the invaders, embodying the spirit of a proud empire that refused to surrender without a fight. Despite his valor, the tide had turned irrevocably against the Byzantines. As the sun rose on that fateful morning, the Ottomans' relentless cannon fire had decimated the ancient walls that stood between them and their prize. A breach had formed, and before long, the Ottomans poured into the city. In a scene of chaos and despair, Constantinople was overtaken, marking the end of the Byzantine Empire and cementing Mehmed II's legacy as the conqueror. With the fall of Constantinople, the Ottoman Empire emerged as a dominant power in the region, and the city's rich tapestry of culture, art, and scholarship became theirs to absorb. Though the Byzantine Empire was no more, its legacy lived on in the annals of history, serving as a poignant reminder of the ebb and flow of empires and the indelible impact they leave on the world long after their demise. Thus, the Siege of Constantinople stands as not merely a historical milestone, but as a testament to the resilience and dedication of a lost empire, forever commemorated in the chronicles of human civilization.